times right now, bro.
Oh shit.
Your head look big as fuck.
Hey man, but damn. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of forgot my intro.
Move.
Move. That's not my intro. What do you mean move? It's not my intro. I wasn't stepping, man.
There go your race right now.
I'm not racing that shiz, nigga.
That shit is so easy.
The hell we over here time out. What we talking about?
Shit out of what is all the guitar
I'm not working.
I got a little board and shit.
Content creation.
And
Like the mixing board?
yeah.
What they did?
Bro,
What they did?
Take that shit out, bro.
I want to do that shit. I ain't gonna. I just sold mine, bro.
How you doing, Santa?
Santa Claus?
Yeah, that's Santa Claus right there. You.
Are you recording now? Santa Claus.
Oh yeah, I got you, my boy. Shee. Yeah, I got you.
Santa Claus don't fix it.
That's funny. That's funny.
I like that one.
But got the bells on the shoes.
Who, Santa? But
Santa Claus.
damn.
This is so good. You know what it tastes like? You know what it tastes like?
Y'all see that? What?
You know what it tastes like?
What?
Like, you know the fruit punch strawberries?
No.
Like the dark red strawberries?
No. I don't know what you talking about. I haven't had Starburst since I don't eat taffy no more. I don't remember what it tastes like.
They're so good.
I smell it. It smells like it. Oh, I'm trying to eat whatever, live better at Walmart, you know? But yeah, man. You don't want to take a picture with Santa?
No.
Why not?
I don't know that man.
Yeah, you don't know Santa Claus either. Shit. But you'll take a picture with him. But right now we just chilling at QT. We was getting ready to go to Charlotte. For those of you who are kind of slow, that is Charlotte. So we're going to a very illegal park and chill, and I said illegal because I don't live there. So if anything goes down, it's not on me. I'm going back to my own house. But as y'all can see, we got slow mobile number 1. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to get my plate in it. Slow mobile number 1. Slow mobile number 2. Definite slow mobile. And then we got the fastest car in this damn lineup today.
I got
Mine the fastest for real?
Well, like, yeah.
This shit is slow. This shit is slow. Do not buy it. This car is slow.
This shit bad though.
I don't know.
What's fast you can go your shit?
147.
I won't even get there. Now it's time to get my shit to me. So like,
I'm the fastest car in the lineup.
oh God.
You faster than that?
Shut the hell up.
I don't know.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Either y'all.
Oh, he coming too?
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's the fastest car in the lineup right there. Shit. No, I can't beat that. I couldn't even beat the 35. G35.
Okay, or the 37.
Hey, stop dick riding.
Just saying. But that was in the V6 though. You can
Shit.
raise Austin now.
The way it did the V6, I don't know, man. I don't think this really stand a chance. And I can't race somebody who ain't got a car. Maybe in a year.
Right now, you good with it.
I don't think so. This shit is slow.
Pro charge.
I said the same shit for
I beat a 04 Malibu yesterday. Oh, that's what that was?
Are you proud about beating a 04 Malibu?
Wait, I had to beat a Honda Civic too though. That shit's slow. I
Can you beat this?
What? No, it's not.
Why not?
So what?
You probably do shit.
I told you that you wanted a Civic. Not much though, cause my shit heavy. And it's rear. It's not a bad looking car though.
Yo, look at her. She always munching on something. What you eating on?
Cheese crackers?
Okay.
Are those cheese crackers? Yeah. Fucking disgusting. She the type to eat the sour cream and chives. Fucking crackers.
I don't like that one.
Oh, you tried it though,
Hey,
right?
somebody get the fit for me. Get the fit for me. Somebody.
Get the
Somebody
fit. Alright, let's talk about the fit. Let's talk about the fit.
Got a little dirty forces. Don't
Boom,
mind.
yeah, yeah.
Got white socks.
White.
You wear the black ones, you nasty.
Okay.
Got the little green jumpsuit.
Tight shit, yeah.
You see it matching.
Uh huh.
Calvin.
Calvin.
Star.
Who's Calvin?
Klein.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Got the little, got the
Got
piece.
the. Hold on. Is it glistening though? Is it? Wait, focus. Hold on, focus. All right. Is it? I don't know, man.
Yeah.
But
Y'all see it?
yeah, big fit check, big. Yeah, haircut. I was about to say, you got a cut.
Gotta wait. Chill,
Looking fresh. Jingle bells, jingle bells. That nigga jingling over there. Here you go.
Oh, but y'all see, he got the ice on his neck.
Big ice, you know. That's about it.
That shit did not focus, but you can still see it shining. He got the shoes on his feet.
I see dirty too. Oh, I got the shoes in the car.
Hey, wait.
Put them on when we get there.
Is this? Oh, nah, they both dirty again. I'm about to say, is this still that one shoe clean? The other one dirty.
Oh, I for sure got the cleanest shoes out here.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I got the oldest.
Buddy. I'm not losing. These are the cleanest out here.
No, they're not.
Yes. Second to these.
Well, your whole video about to be at QT.
Oh, God. But I'm pick y'all back up when we get to Dave's Hot Chicken.
Pick y'all up when we pick y'all back up. Just stay tuned.
Hey, we gonna tell Jay
In the
to
spot.
try them hot ones, bro.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, bro, when we get to Dave's Hot Chicken, bro, make sure you get the hot ones, bro. The hot chicken.
No, it's not hot, bro.
not.
No. Dead ass, like mild.
The hot ones.
Say, repeat that.
He said,
Bro, just said I got a nice name, bro.
he trying
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
to suck your dick.
He trying to fuck.
What's up, bro? I'm Curly, bro. He's like, bro, you got a nice name.
Oh, Curly.
On that note, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. Yo, that boy about to take his first bite. Y'all ready? Curly with the first bite. Let's get it.
He and Charlie, whatever.
Go ahead and get on that bite, my boy.
Oh, this is my first time eating Dave's Hot Chicken, and you know, y'all know me. I gotta take this bite right here. Somebody shine the light.
Who got a light?
Somebody. Oh, hello. I got a. Oh.
No, we good.
Bet. So as you can see here, I got the 2 sliders with some fries. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all see it? Oh shit! He just deep throated that motherfucker.
So look, I'm about to add some more. Slap some pickles on that joint.
Damn.
Slap some pickles on that joint.
Damn.
I'm gonna pick that joint up,
Okay.
and I'm gonna take me a bite. Get close, y'all. Everybody get close.
Oh shit. Damn.
Sauce dripping out the bottle.
Yeah, let them know. Let them know.
What it taste like? What it taste
Let
like?
them know.
Hold
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Going in for
Part
round
two. Part
Going in
two.
round 2.
Damn. What is that some of, my brother?
That's that good news gravy right there, boy. Y'all get y'all some of this.
We done made it to the meet, and finally my peoples have arrived. As y'all can see, my Mopar Stizzies have arrived. This shitty booty man has arrived.
All right.
And we out. I ain't gonna lie. You know what?
There you go. That's your race right there.
Where?
Right there.
The Challenger?
Yeah.
I'm not racing that.
Why?
Hell no, I'm not racing that. Yeah, I'ma lose bad.
I wouldn't say
And
bad.
bad. No. I bet y'all lose bad. You know why? He's light. He's lighter. He has more.
You're dead wrong for putting the red hawk on that bitch, bro. You dead wrong for doing that.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a fake Trackhawk, y'all. Just wait, stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all this fake ass
Hot the hood on
Trackhawk.
that motherfucker.
But y'all see, we go TA, Scatty, RT in the yellow. I think the white one's a Scatty over there. Oh, we got that big Pico truck. Let's see what he talking about. Oh shit! Damn! Race him!
You racing.
Race him!
You got the RT.
Nah, I'm beating that for fun. Come on now. You race it.
So it's not as much as like a twin scroll, like
Okay.
for the wine. But
Right. That shit sound good though.
2.7 liter modified roof.
You be racing?
Who's asking?
Him.
Nah. You see that white Jeep?
Hell yeah.
You see that white Jeep? You think you can beat
See
it?
that great charge
SRT?
over there?
Nah. It's 5.7.
5.7? This is a 5.7.
Bro, you can race that.
My
But I
shit
got
stock.
Which
The
one?
white one.
The white one?
Yeah.
That shit clean.
Stock though. So yours is.
I'm stocked, but you always trying to get me to race.
But you have a 2023.
So,
Bro, that's still a skate.
the charger on the end.
Go ahead.
What is it? RT Scott?
RT.
That's a
now.
fair race.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Bro,
Not at all. It's not fair at all. What?
How much you got done?
2.7 liter modified roof supercharger, cold air intake, high flow exhaust. It had the whole like supercharger overhaul, so it's got more cooling.
Bro, that's fair.
And then a tune. Did I say tune?
No,
Yeah, I think he did. I think he did.
Bro, it's late. I'm
That's
tired.
fair.
It's not even late. It's 8 o'clock.
Y'all, he said that's a fair race. That is not a
That
fair
is
race.
fair.
It's not a
That
fair
is a
race.
fair race.
It's not a fair race.
What, for you or for him?
For me,
It's about
It's
six.
not a fair race.
it's
for
not a
you?
fair race.
It's
Yeah.
about a 6 wheel. It's not a fair race.
It's not a fair
I
race.
got 4x4. It's nothing.
Never mind.
Bro, I don't begrudge racing my I'm not here to come here and tell you it's a V6 and then I got a blower and 4x4. You know.
See, that's what I just need some work
I don't
done in
get that.
mine.
Y'all check out
It
this.
sound good.
Y'all check out this tall ass wide body.
There you go.
Y'all look at this tall ass wide body.
Oh shit! Watch it.
Boy, I swear to God, you hit my goddamn car.
This is scat on the way if you do this shit.
Oh god.
Hit the. Ooh. Boy, you hit the RT if you dare. I swear to God, I'm fighting this nigga. Give a damn. I would have fought him. Hell nah. I would have imagine if you would have hit my
That
shit.
shit not even allowed for a motherfucker to see it's a scat and they definitely.
I hope I caught that, because if he would have hit my shit, he would have been done. I'm not gonna lie. He would have had to fight me right here. Right here, right now. He would have had to fight me. He would have had to fight me right here, right now, if my shit would have been touched. Even looked that wrong. Because racing in that car.
Okay,
I'm not playing no games about that one.
They hit my shit though. It's a scat.
And the car. I care about the car a lot, too.
Bro, best believe that license plate will be in my phone. I'm
License
ready.
plate. Nah,
Yeah.
that car will be beat the fuck up. I'm blowing that bitch down. Oh, God. I'm not playing no game.
I'm not being that
You
shit.
done hurt the girl and the car? Shit, my heart fucked up. Car
That nigga
done?
ain't got no heart.
2023?
Nigga, then I gotta wait for my dad to come pick me up.
2024, this man will be in jail.
Oh God, nah, 2023 I'm be in jail on Christmas Day. Free me and treat. What? Locked up, fuck with this man.
Hey, that's crazy.
But y'all see, we got our crew pulling back up.
I want to hear that guy. That.
He had the suburban sweat.
Alright, yeah, had to get hood for us, and we about to be in suburban.
Bro, I need to
But,
see. I need to see that SRTV hit that shit.
Hey
Who
man,
about to hit that? Honestly.
but
Somebody-
oh shit,
I'll be right there. Fucking Infinity.
let's go, man. Let's go,
Gotta
man.
get in the grass.
Putting in that work ski. I need a thumbnail. I ain't gonna lie. I need a bad thumbnail.
Hey, my thumbnail was.
Y'all see these stairs? These shit's kind of tough. I ain't gonna lie. These stairs kind of tough.
Oh yeah, we can get a thumbnail up here though.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'll pick y'all back up in a second, man. Shit.
Block it off.
She said block that motherfucker. Shit.
Your girl is check free. She ain't used to text me. Now she want to caress me. She keep tryna neck me.